Crashed it again. I need more control. All right, everyone, and we are back. I got a little bit more rudder and aileron mix in there, just a tiny bit more, Okay, I'm at about 35% now. So this is low rates, so hopefully she works. Oh, it's a little windy. I am a little concerned about that, but we're totally fine. Way better. Oh, crashed the plane in there. I wasn't trying to get into the sun, so we definitely got stuck there. And it looks like we'll still be able to fly it. Let me get up there. Yeah, we'll still be able to fly her, but that was crazy, man. I can't believe I keep getting all these crashes for you guys, but it's still amazing because you guys can see that these planes are very durable. Even though they break a little bit, something might come off or whatever the case is, but they will still fly. All right, let's get it back up in the air. Just make sure nothing is gonna move. I have a lot of weight in the nose, but that was really good right there. That's exactly where we needed it. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. Well, I'm actually gonna go down here because that wind kind of messed me up a little bit. So I'm gonna go on this side. All right, our nose, we got a little hole right here in the nose. That's totally fine. Nothing major. Crashed it again. I need more control. And I think that one is done right there, yeah. But I really need more control. Our battery is here. That's the only thing that's going on with this plane. This plane needs way more control. I didn't want to crash it into myself, so it was definitely better to just let it crash up there. Ugh. Let's get our piece up there. She crashed really good. Ooh. That was good. She definitely needs some more control. For sure, for sure. Where's our hatch? All right, everyone. Well, at least we got 4 servos, well, 3 servos and a new motor, so that way we could build another plane. And I was actually able to show you guys that was nice. That was pretty cool. I mean, I always just go home and break my planes anyway, so I'd rather just come out here and crash them, honestly. So let me know in the comments down below, is there any better way for you guys to destroy your plane than just crashing them? Or do you just take them and just take them apart? That's how I used to do it, but then that's not really fun for me anymore. But all right, everyone, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you for staying this long in the video. And let me know in the comments down below, would you like to see a build video on this? It's pretty nice, pretty good, easy to fly, especially if you put that aileron and rudder mix in. You'll be all right. All right, everyone, see you in the next one.